At the Planning the Route stage of the Erasmus Transformation Academy, you will devise strategies and develop an implementation plan. You will learn how to use new equipment, the Reporting 3.0 strategy continuum, and the integral materiality process. You will also learn new vocabulary such as rights holders, thresholds and allocations, and multi-capitalism. These terms are essential to understanding what sustaining and thriving really mean for you, your organization, your industry, and the economy as a whole. Join the Erasmus Transformation Academy starting in January 2019. Learn how you can plan your own journey into a thriving future in the Planning the Route workshop. Register today and stay tuned for more insights in further parts of this series.